Kohati gonna get some bamboo for his birthday. He's gonna get some bamboo for his birthday. Yay, Kohati! Happy birthday! Aw, there you go, Kohati. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kohati. Happy birthday to you. Good job, Kohati. They're singing happy birthday to him. Yay. Good job, Kohati. Kohati, look, everyone's wishing you happy birthday, sweetheart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yay. Kohati, Ingrid's bringing you some more yum-yums. Yay. Yeah, Maze, honey. Look at that. I came back right at the good time. Look at those nanners. Oh, good job, baby.
She's giving him a banana.
It's a big candle, Kohati. Good job, honey.
Are we on your way here?
I just want to get its face. Thanks. It's his birthday today.
It's his birthday?
Yes, he's getting some special treats. He's 21.
21?
Uh-huh. Yep.
21 years old. I wonder, what is that in man years? 21?
I don't know.
Happy birthday, going to town with you.
Good job, Guac. Yummies. Happy birthday, sweetheart. I'm so happy I could be here with you. I'm so happy to be here with you and celebrate your birthday. He's so sweet. Look at him. I love him. Precious guy. Cutie pie, Kohati. You're so cute. Oh my God, he's one of my guys. Look at him, he's so cute. Love you, Kohati. He's so cute, he makes me want to cry. Look how cute he is. Just love him. Those ears. Look at those ears. Hi, cutie. Oh my God.